Hey, what's up? What's up, ladies? So, I got a news. I've been thinking about that lately. So, this is all a setup. The life you're living, it's all digital. When I said digital, I didn't mean you're using your phone, laptop, and shit like that. You are digitally organized and developed. Just you don't trust me? Close your eyes and do like this, you know put pressure on your eyes while closing it. You'll see some uh, glitches. You'll see some digital lights. You've been produced by some वेस्ट वर्ल्ड सीरीज देख लेना, समझ जाओगे. हॉट स्टार पे है शायद. So you've been programmed to do this. Whatever decision you are taking, तुम चल रहे हो अभी, रात को पार्टी करने जाओगे, सुबह काम पे जाओगे, या तुम शाहरुख खान बनोगे, या तुम एक सिंगर बनोगे, या तुम एक एथलीट बनोगे. एवरीथिंग इज़ प्रोग्राम्ड. तो अगर तुम गरीब हो, तुम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. यू बीन प्रोग्राम्ड. तुम्हें जो प्रोग्राम कर रहा है, they guys are taking decision on your behalf, and it feels like 99% people feels like it's happening, it's their instinct, their decision, that's why they are here where they are today. No, someone is programming you, someone is doing the codes and doing every shit. So guys, this is deep. I know most of you people won't relate to this, but if you'll try to understand the logic behind this, you'll realize whatever I'm saying is like too much true. So अब ये बोलोगे कि जो मैं थॉट्स मैं बता रहा हूँ, जो प्रोग्राम कर रहा है वो तो नहीं चाहेगा कि ये रियलिटी बाहर आए. देन वाई इतनी रियलिटी मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने अभी खुद कहा कि कुछ डिसीजंस, कुछ भी एक्शन है, सब प्रोग्राम बेस्ड आ रहा है. जो आदमी, जो भी पावर प्रोग्राम कर रही है हमें, सो मेरा ये उनके खिलाफ वो क्यों करेंगे. सो ये जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये मेरी इवोल्यूशन है. I evolved my thoughts. So for example, AI से क्यों डर रहे हैं लोग? बाकी AI तो programmed है. So क्यों डरना? It's in our control, but still people have fear कि AI will get out of our hands. The same way I got out of their hands, and these are my own thoughts that I've developed. They do not have any intention about that. Till now, I don't know about further. अगर मैं इस चीज़ को एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में, बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँच जाती है, उन तक पहुँच जाती है, then they'll think about it to stop me. But as of now, this is the evolution of my thoughts. These are my thoughts. I went deeper into understanding the logic, what's been happening, the glitches I talked about. So this is it. So just, for most of the people this won't make any sort of sense, but trust me, this is something serious, guys. This is something fucking serious.